Windows 11 debloat script, but this works for both 10 and 11. And you can go ahead and um, download a zip file, or if you already have GitHub or Git installed, you can do a git clone. So once the zip file is downloaded, right-click the Windows Start menu and then open up PowerShell admin. So now what you need to do is type in CD. This looks really small. Let me see if I can make the font. Yeah, it's better. Okay, sorry about that. I just want to make sure people could see. So you're going to CD into your users file. For me, that's 22 Halo. And then downloads. And then you're going to want to expand archive the zip file. And you can press tab to auto complete and go to that Windows 11 master zip file. And all this expand archive does is it unzips the file. So the next thing you're going to need to do is set the execution policy. The scope should be the current user, or actually it should be the process. You could do current user, but just realize that instead of it just being for this process, it's going to set it for that user that it can run scripts. But I'm just going to do the process, and then you'll want to do remote signed. And then you can press A for yes to all. And then you're going to want to do a dot and a slash and tab to go into Windows 11 Debloat Master. And then tab again. Until you get to git.ps1. You can run that script. You will need to run it as an admin. So make sure when you right click the start menu, you do click on Windows PowerShell admin. All right, so now you have the options to do the default, to do a custom mode, or to remove select apps without making other changes. I'm going to run the default. And you can see here that it's going to remove the default selection of apps. In that GitHub file, there is an apps.list text file that you can see all the apps it's going to remove. But then it also disables telemetry, diagnostic data, app launch tracking, and targeted ads. Bing Search and Cortana, it removes from Windows Search. It disables tips and tricks. It disables Windows Copilot. File extensions, disables the widget service, hides the chat, and hides 3D objects. So I'll press enter, and it'll go ahead and start removing all that junk. All right, and then when the script completes, you can press any key to exit. So I'll just press enter. And you can see now that a ton of junk has been removed. I do believe you have to restart the computer for it to fully take effect. But if I go into the start menu, you can see a lot of the default apps have been removed. And then also the widgets have been removed as well. So to completely finish the script, I believe you do have to restart. I may be wrong on that, but I think you do have to restart. So it's just a quick and easy tutorial on how to debloat your Windows 10 and 11 system. So thanks. Bye.